Hello, vibrant food lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make healthy living not just easy, but deliciously irresistible. Today, we're diving into a quick and delicious 10-minute chicken and veggie stir-fry recipe. This culinary creation is perfect for those busy days when you want something nutritious yet satisfying. Packed with lean protein and a rainbow of vegetables, this stir-fry is a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Join us on this culinary journey, and in no time, you'll be serving up a dish that's a treat for the senses. To create this culinary masterpiece, you won't need a lengthy shopping list. Simple, fresh ingredients are all it takes. Let's start with the star of our show, the chicken. Lean and packed with protein, this poultry pick is a favorite for health enthusiasts. Next, we have an array of vibrant vegetables. Bell peppers packed with vitamins A and C, broccoli, a powerhouse of fiber and vitamin K. Carrots, renowned for their beta-carotene content. And last but not least, snow peas, a fantastic source of vitamin B1 and fiber. Spicing things up, we've got fresh garlic and ginger. These aromatics not only add a kick to our stir-fry, but also boast anti-inflammatory properties. A dash of soy sauce and a drizzle of sesame oil will bring everything together, adding depth and a touch of umami to our dish. With these power-packed ingredients, we're set to create a meal that's as nourishing as it is delicious. With our ingredients ready, it's time to bring our chicken and veggie stir-fry to life. The magic of this dish lies in the harmony of flavors, the vibrant colors, and most importantly, how quickly it all comes together. Let's start by heating up a wok or a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add a splash of oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. When it's hot and shimmering, it's time to add the chicken. We're looking for a nice golden sear on the chicken, so let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, you'll want to toss in your veggies. The beauty of a stir-fry is that you can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Whether it's bell peppers, broccoli, or snow peas, they're all welcome here. Stir everything together and cook until the veggies are tender crisp. It's important not to overcook them, as we want to retain their vibrant colors and crunch. Now for the star of the show, the sauce. Made from a blend of soy sauce, honey, and garlic, this sauce is a perfect balance of savory, sweet, and aromatic. Pour it over the chicken and vegetables, stirring well to ensure every piece is coated in this flavorful symphony. Here's a tip: if you like a little heat, feel free to add a dash of chili flakes or a spoonful of sriracha. It's your stir-fry after all. Finally, let everything simmer for a couple of minutes. The sauce will thicken slightly and cling to the chicken and veggies, infusing them with flavor. And just like that, you've created a delicious, nutritious meal in under 10 minutes. In just a few minutes, you've transformed simple ingredients into a vibrant and aromatic stir-fry. It's a perfect example of how quick, easy, and delicious healthy eating can be. So next time you're in a rush, remember this recipe. It's a lifesaver for busy weeknights, or any time you want a meal that's fast and satisfying. Remember, the key to a great stir-fry is creativity, so feel free to experiment with different ingredients and flavors to make it your own. While your taste buds are eagerly waiting, let's take a moment to appreciate the nutritional value of this dish. Chicken, as we know, is a great source of lean protein essential for muscle building and recovery. It also offers a good dose of vitamin B6, which can boost your mood and fortify your cognitive abilities. Next, we have an array of vibrant veggies. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, supporting immune function and skin health. Broccoli, the little green trees, offer a wealth of nutrients including fiber, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Then there's the zucchini, a low-calorie vegetable high in vitamin A, essential for eye health. Ginger and garlic, our flavor agents, also come with their own health benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory effects and can help with digestion. Garlic, on the other hand, is celebrated for its potential heart health benefits. This stir-fry isn't just quick and delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse that fuels your body and mind. As we plate our stir-fry, the final step is the garnish, which adds an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. The garnish is more than just a pretty face. It's the finishing touch that elevates a good dish into a great one. Think of it as the encore at the end of a magnificent symphony, the final flourish that leaves the audience in awe. Now let's talk about some garnishing options. Sesame seeds, for instance, are a classic choice. They add a subtle crunch and a slightly nutty flavor that complements the savory stir-fry beautifully. Plus, they're packed with nutrients, including fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Fresh herbs are another excellent option. A sprinkling of chopped cilantro or parsley can infuse a burst of freshness into your stir-fry. If you prefer a bit of a kick, sliced green onions or chives can do the trick. They bring a sharp, tangy note that contrasts wonderfully with the rich flavors of the chicken and veggies. Then there's the humble lime, often overlooked but incredibly versatile. Just a squeeze can brighten up the whole dish, cutting through the richness and adding a tangy twist. Plus, it's a great source of vitamin C. Don't be afraid to get creative with your garnish. Try different combinations, experiment with other herbs or seeds, and see what works best for you. Remember, the best garnish not only enhances the flavor of your stir-fry, but also reflects your personal taste. So, we've stirred, we've fried, and now we garnish. Sprinkle your chosen garnish over the stir-fry and watch as it transforms from a simple dish into a feast for the eyes and the palate. It's not just food, it's a culinary masterpiece that you've created in just 10 minutes. And there you have it, a quick, nutritious, and mouth-watering chicken and veggie stir-fry ready to enjoy. Each bite is a celebration of flavors, a testament to the wonders of quick and easy home cooking. Bon appetit! This 10-minute recipe proves that healthy eating can be fast, easy, and absolutely delicious. We have journeyed together through the creation of this quick and delicious chicken and veggie stir-fry, a symphony of flavors and colors, all assembled in the span of just 10 minutes. We've discussed the ingredients, their health benefits, and how each one contributes to the overall decadence of the dish. This recipe is a testament to the fact that eating well doesn't have to be a chore. It's a celebration of the bounty of nature, a harmony of nutrition and flavor, and a testament to the creativity that can be unleashed in your own kitchen. With the right ingredients and a bit of time, you can create a meal that not only satiates your hunger, but also feeds your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, the beauty of cooking is in the process as much as it is in the final product. So don't just rush through the steps, savor them. Let the aroma of the ingredients, the sizzle of the stir-fry, and the vibrant colors of the dish transport you to a place of culinary delight. Now, it's your turn. We encourage you to try this recipe and share your experiences. Let us know how the dish turned out, how you may have tweaked it to your taste, and how it was received by those you shared it with. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. We can't wait to hear how your chicken and veggie stir-fry turned out. Until next time, keep cooking, keep sharing, and stay healthy.